Hi everybody, teacher Everson here once again with you. In today's class I'm gonna talk about shopping. Something similar to the previous video. Right now a student just went home and we were talking about shopping. And we were talking about flea market. Do you know what is a flea market? Here, flea market. So this is a flea market, okay? When people buy things on the street and they often ask for prices and they want to make it to buy at a lower price and they make a deal. They make a negotiation. Do you know what's the name of this? In Portuguese we say barganha and in English it is a similar name. I'm gonna write here for you. Today is the first video that I'm gonna write. My handwriting is very ugly, but it's okay, understandable. Minha escrita é muito feia, mas dá para entender, ok? So, bargain. Bargain is pechinchar, okay? So that's the name of it, bargain. And other verbs that we can think about, deal, make a deal, make a good deal. So dealing for the price, dealing is important, to deal, to bargain. And when you agree with the price, you make this statement. You can say, I will I will take it. I will take it. Eu fico com ele. Eu compro. Okay? So these are the price. These are the vocabulary that we're gonna use always when we buy something, when we purchase. Okay? And the questions we saw the other video. How much? How much is it? Singular. How much are those or are these if it's plural? And if you don't agree with the price in the flea market, then you have to bargain. You have to bargain for a better price. Okay? So, not tomorrow, the other week is a Black Friday. So, from now on, we're going to have more videos related to Black Friday with vocabulary and things that we can check it out in my blog and we can discuss here. We can during our classes. Thank you very much and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.